change. I am going to explain about do's in the climate change. First one is save energy, and next is use public transport. And in climate change, the important thing is to plant trees to produce rainfall and etc. Again, we use reduce, recycle, and reuse. Then use renewable energy and conserve water.
And about the don'ts, I'm going to explain about don'ts. Don't waste electricity. Avoid leaving devices on standby or unnecessary. And then the second one is don't burn waste because it affects the climate. Burning plastics and garbage increase greenhouse pollutions. Don't use single-use plastics. Avoid plastic bags, bottles, and etc. Then don't overuse vehicles. Reduce unnecessary travel by private cars, etc. And don't cut down trees. Deforestation increase global warming. Then don't ignore environmental awareness. Stay informed and encouragement. Next, climatic change.
Climate change is one of the most serious environmental challenges faced by the world today. To reduce its impact, individuals must follow certain important practices. We should conserve electricity by switching off lights and appliances when they are not in use, and perfect energy efficient devices. Using public transport, cycling or walking instead of private vehicles helps reduce carbon emissions. Planting trees and protecting forests are essential because trees absorb carbon dioxide and improve air quality. We should also follow the principle of reduce, reuse and recycle to minimize waste. Conserving water and support renewable energy sources like solar and wind power can significantly lower environmental damage.
So I end the session by Megha.
At the same time, there is action we must avoid. We should not waste electricity or water unnecessarily. Burning garbage, especially plastic, realize harmful greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. The use of single-use plastic should be avoided. Same time, there is action we should avoid. We should not waste electricity or water unnecessarily. Burning garbage, especially plastic, realize harmful greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. At the uses of single-use plastics, we should not use their pollute and water. Cutting down trees and encouraging global warming. Overusing. So we can help protection and environmental and ensure sustainable future for the next generation.
Okay. Students, I can think that you are aware of the climatic change, what we have to do and what we have to do. Right. So as those you have given few suggestions like usage of the plastics and how we have to reduce all those things. Right. And we all know that how we have to do what we have to do. Right? It is like planting the tree. We all know that we have to plant a tree. So I have taken planting a tree as an example, and planting the tree gives a nice climate. We can get shadows from there. We can get air also, and it gives a pleasant place that we can admire sometimes. And when we live with the nature, we love our life, not with the technology. So with this sentence, I would like to conclude this topic. Thank you. Today we have a topic, case study. Okay. So I have selected a topic like what we are facing nowadays, because we have now it is climatic change recently has taken place. So before this climate, we were enjoying the winter, right? So we enjoyed the climate. Now it is a summer climate. So today's the topic is
during the summer time, right? So what they will do and what is our role here and how we will help the